Welcome back to the channel. If you've been thinking about upgrading your kitchen, Prime Day is the perfect time to save big on a high-quality steam air fryer oven. In today's video, we're counting down the top 5 best steam air fryer ovens of 2026, featuring the biggest Prime Day discounts on models that deliver crispy results, healthier cooking, and incredible versatility. We've selected these picks based on cooking performance, steam technology, ease of use, and overall value, so you can get the best deal without compromising on quality. Let's dive in and find the perfect steam air fryer oven before these limited-time offers disappear. At number 1, the Cuisinart Air Fryer Toaster Oven is a versatile countertop appliance that combines multiple cooking functions into one spacious unit. It can air fry, bake, roast, broil, toast, dehydrate, and more. With enough room for a 13-inch pizza, a large chicken, or up to 4 pounds of wings. The digital controls, wide temperature range, and dishwasher-safe accessories make everyday cooking simple and convenient. With a 21% discount, it's a great value for families, home cooks, and anyone looking to replace several kitchen appliances with one. Let's check out the next deal. At number 2, the Nuwave Oven Pro Plus Air Fryer stands out with its unique combination of infrared, convection, and conduction cooking for faster, more efficient meals. It can cook food straight from frozen, with no preheating or defrosting, while offering over 100 presets and 50 memory slots for added convenience. The fuss-free design, precise temperature control, and ability to adjust settings during cooking make it especially practical for busy households. With a generous 45% discount, it's a strong value for anyone looking to simplify everyday cooking. Let's move on to the next deal. At number 3, the Nuwave Combi Steam Oven is an all-in-one countertop cooker that combines steam, air frying, sous vide, roasting, baking, and more in a spacious 16-quart design. With 120 built-in presets, adjustable steam levels, and precise temperature control from 50 to 450 degrees, it offers impressive flexibility for everyday meals and gourmet recipes alike. The combination of steam and air frying helps create crispy outsides while keeping food tender inside. With a solid 27% discount, it's an excellent choice for home cooks who want versatility without filling their kitchen with multiple appliances. Let's move on to the next deal. At number 4, the Ninja Combi All-in-One Multi-Cooker is a versatile kitchen appliance that combines 14 cooking functions, including air frying, baking, roasting, steaming, slow cooking, and sous vide. Its combi technology uses superheated steam and rapid air circulation to cook juicy, crispy meals, and it can even prepare complete family dinners in as little as 15 minutes. With enough capacity to feed up to 8 people and dishwasher-safe accessories for easy cleanup, this 36% discount makes it a smart pick for busy families and anyone looking to simplify meal prep. Now, let's check out the next deal. At number 5, the Chef IQ Mini Oven Smart Toaster Oven Air Fryer Combo packs 11 cooking functions into one compact countertop appliance, including air frying, baking, roasting, dehydrating, and slow cooking. Its powerful convection system helps cook meals faster, while Wi-Fi connectivity and the Chef IQ app let you monitor and adjust cooking from your phone. With a spacious 25-quart capacity, touchscreen controls, and compatibility with the IQ Sense smart thermometer, it delivers impressive convenience. At 36% off, it's a great choice for busy households looking for smarter, more versatile cooking. Now, let's move on to the next deal.